Preview. Before and after. Let's start. Start by opening PhotoRoom on your device. Import your chosen photo into the app. Watch as PhotoRoom magically removes the background from your photo, leaving the main subject in focus. Review the edited image and make necessary adjustments by deleting or restoring any parts that need attention. Once you are satisfied with the edits, confirm the changes and select the transparent option to preserve the removed background. Tap on the background option, replace it with a new background of your choice, and save the edited photo with the new background in place. Open Adobe Lightroom on your device. Import the previously edited photo, with the new background, into Lightroom. Set the aspect ratio to 4:5 for that perfect Instagram-ready look. Begin adjusting the photo's exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks. Temperature, tint, and vibrance to enhance its overall appearance. Dive deeper into color adjustments by tweaking the hue, saturation, and luminance of individual colors to achieve a balanced and pleasing color palette. Fine-tune the shadows, adjust color luminance, play with blending modes, and ensure a harmonious balance of colors in your image. Utilize the curve tool to refine the light and color settings, which can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your photo. Go to Profile, select Modern 3. Set amount 86. Add texture and clarity to elevate the quality of the image, and experiment with the haze and vignette effects to add depth and drama. Sharpen the details in the photo using appropriate settings, apply masking to target specific areas, and reduce noise and color noise to ensure a clean, professional finish. Once all editing adjustments are made in Lightroom, export the final edited photo to save your changes. Open Lens Distortions on your device. Import the exported photo into Lens Distortions. Add light if necessary. Add light effects to enhance the atmosphere of the photo. Take the summer and add bokeh effect to it. Apply a subtle bokeh effect to create a dreamy and visually appealing finish to your edited image. Save the final edited photo in Lens Distortions, completing the transformation process. Thank you for following along with this detailed editing process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.